Hi, it's Song Premiere on Tuesday. I'm Stuart Stotts. This is Song Premiere on Tuesday for October 12th, 2021, 10/12/2021. Thank you for listening, and today's song is a song about musical heroes of all kinds. It's called Three Chords and an Attitude. Woody came from Oklahoma, took his guitar roaming through the darkness of the Dust Bowl days. He was bound for glory and he turned the people's stories into songs he could sing and play. He had a heart for the hungry, the broken, tired, and screwed. He had three chords from the street, three chords with a beat, three chords and an attitude. Janice grabbed the microphone, shook it like a broken bone, lighting up the Texas stage with some loving and some lusting and some broken-hearted trusting, fueled by bourbon and rage. She thumbed her nose at normal and at being formal. You could say she was wild and lewd. Three chords from the street, three chords and a beat, three chords and an attitude. Singing loud, singing proud, singing for the funky crowd, singing full of joy and sin. James Brown came to town, he burned it down, spun around and built it back up again. Proud to be black, he couldn't hold it back. He knew the soul needs good food. He had three chords from the street, three chords and a beat, three chords and an attitude. Bob Dylan, Kurt Cobain, Muddy Waters, Etta James, Reba Franklin, Pharrell Ramon. Put a name here of your own. Somewhere in the world there's a guitar and a girl, and she sees it all changing fast. Sings along to every song, singing loud and singing strong to move us all beyond the past. What you need to succeed and make a mark the world can read is something more than platitudes. Three chords from the street, three chords and a beat, three chords and an attitude. You need three chords from the street, three chords and a beat, three chords and an attitude. I would just like to note that that song uses more than three chords, so I guess it doesn't qualify, but hopefully it has an attitude anyway. Thank you very much for being here.